So model invocation logging allows you to send data from Amazon Bedrock to your CloudWatch logs to determine things like your input-output token usage, what model was invoked, the actual text that was inputted by the user and what was outputted by the model, if guardrails apply, which account or region it's in. So here's a snapshot or a graphic from the actual log. So you can see here, so you see input tokens, output tokens there on the right-hand side. One thing I did notice is that there's no way to distinguish between your workloads. So if you're using Anthropic Claude Sonnet 3.5 for one project, another project, there's no way to distinguish that in the logs because it's going to treat them as, from here. So you'd have to know exactly when they were invoked or like based on the context of the input output text. So, my solution to that would just be to create per workload an account, which seems very heavy, but that's the only way you're going to be able to do it. Or maybe like run different models in different regions to separate them out. But yeah, there you go.